Hey guys, I'm showing you this Mivanka flower press kit. So this is a do-it-yourself craft kits for making pressed flowers for kids and adults. Sturdy material acrylic pressing plates with Exquisite accessory. So this is a pack of one giftable box. You can see the very nice gift box and then everything is inside it. Accessory kit. So the manual how you can press the flowers and what are the requirement and the what is inside the box. So it comes with the whole accessories. In the screenshot and the corner I showed you like all those things, and this is the main press. So you have to take out these screws to see like all the accessories that comes with it. So this is the 4 bolts that comes out, and then this is the acrylic plate for the top. This is the sheet so that it will not ruin that the dry thing. Certain forms that you have to put to press the flowers. These are the sheets, lining papers that go on top and bottom of those flowers. These are the drying sheets, and 2 ziplocs, big ziploc to store in there so that no air and anything will go inside while you're pressing the flowers, and some stickers like the thank you one and 3 envelopes. So this is the base of that press. So usually you put a dry sheet first. So there are total 6 dry sheets that comes with it. So drying plates or drying sheets, whatever you want to say. And then the process is there in the corner that you can see. So I'm just following the instruction. So you have to put one lining paper. So one lining paper will go like this. One paper will go on the bottom, and after you put the flower, the other will go on the top of the flower. So I'm just putting these fresh flowers I took from my yard, leaves and everything, and just put one more lining paper on top of it. And after that you can put a black foam, like says like the for the foam, like the sponge. So I put one lining sheet and then one sponge. And then we need to put this top acrylic sheet on top of it with these 4 screws, and put in these plastic washers, and then this like the screws or the bolts, whatever you want to say to that. And in the accessory kit there is one scissor and one tweezer and the craft knife. So if you want to cut those flowers in a shape, or you want to use that way, you can do that, but I just am putting the simple flowers. It says wait for 2 to 5 days after you screw this down, and put it in the ziploc. I'm tightening this so that the flower is completely pressed. So I'm tightening this to the strength I can, and then it just says, like you can see from the corner, it just tighten everything. And it says after that you have to put it in the ziploc and wait for 2 to 5 days. So the ziploc is supplied. This is a big ziploc that comes with it, and you can then put this one and just wait and see the outcomes. So hopefully we will update this and see what happened. This one is after 1 week time. I'm just taking this out and see what happened to the flowers. So it is approximately like 7 days. This was inside this, and let's see. So you have to just open these knobs to screws, and let's just saw that. So I just need to open it carefully so that I will not disturb the dried flowers, and you can see these leaves and flowers. So they are dried really nice, and they are crisp, and they are very delicate. So here you can see the flowers I kept and then the leaf. So they are all dried. So this is a very nice thing to dry the flowers and stuff, and you can use these flowers now, or as a scrapbook or on a greeting card or anywhere you want. Very nice things.